Hello! Did you know that now you too can try the Instructor's Control panel and play as a student in another browser tab? It's easy. On the left menu, click on Live Sessions, and once you have entered, click on the Create a Live Game button. There you will set up a live session just for you. Name the game, select a scenario, and click the button to play solo. Once you have completed everything, click to start your game. First, you can select roles, retailer, wholesaler, distributor, and manufacturer. When you're done, click Next. On the next screen, you will see the rules and then you will start playing.